Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change a listing on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then enter the section Selling at the bottom side of your screen, and here you should see category Active. So tap on Active Listing and then you need to find the listing you want to change or edit. Simply tap on that listing and tap Edit, or it can be named as Revise Listing depending on the version of your eBay application. And this action will open the listing editor. And here you can make the necessary changes, such as you can edit title, description of your product, price, quantity, you can add or delete some photos, shipping, location, and item specifics. And then when you're done editing your listing, you need to tap Done or Revise to save your changes. So that's how you can change a listing on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.